Hey Canva wizards! Ready to sprinkle some serious design magic? Today, we're leveling up with advanced Canva tools that'll turn your creations into pure gold. From animations to professional branding, this tutorial is your fast pass to wow-worthy designs. So grab your creative wand. Let's make Canva work its magic. Ever wish you could snap your fingers and have all your brand colors, fonts, and logos ready? The Brand Kit is basically your design genie. It keeps everything neat, consistent, and so professional. On the Canva homepage, click Brand Hub on the left menu. Select Brand Kit and click Add New to upload your brand assets, logos, colors, and fonts. Once uploaded, these assets will appear automatically in your editor for quick access. Use them to create designs that are on brand every single time. Got a great photo, but the background screams, no? No worries. Canva's background remover is here to save the day. It's like a Photoshop Pro in one click. Add an image to your canvas by clicking Uploads or selecting one from Canva's library. Click on the image and then select Edit Image from the toolbar above. Choose Background Remover and watch as Canva works its magic. Adjust the edges if needed by using the Eraser and Restore tools. Static is so last year. Bring your designs to life with Canva's animation effects. It's like adding a little sparkle to your projects. Once your design is ready, click on an element, text, image, or shape. Select Animate from the top toolbar. Choose from options like Fade, Pan, or Bounce. Adjust the speed and direction of the animation to suit your style. To animate the entire page, click outside any elements and choose a page animation. Charts can be boring, or they can be Canva-fied. Let's turn numbers into infographics that wow your audience. On the left panel, click Elements and search for Charts. Choose a chart style, bar, pie, or line, and drag it onto your canvas. Click on the chart to input your data. Customize the colors, fonts, and labels to fit your design theme. Add icons or illustrations to make it more engaging. Okay, your masterpiece is done and it's time to show it off, but exporting it the right way is key. Let's make sure it looks sharp everywhere. Click the Share button at the top right corner. Choose your export format, PDF for presentations or documents, MP4 for animated designs, GIF for short, looping animations. Select the resolution, standard for web, high for print, and click Download. And that's a wrap, Canva legends! You've just unlocked the ultimate Canva hacks to level up your designs. This might be our last Canva tutorial for now, but don't worry, our journey doesn't end here. Stick around, because this channel is all about taking you from beginners to pros in so many other amazing tools. Want to create stunning videos? We've got tutorials for CapCut. Need to organize your life? Check out our Google Calendar tips. Whatever you're into, there's something here to make your creative and everyday life easier. So, hit that subscribe button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep creating greatness together.